Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa, My Morning Manna with Pastor OG. At buksan po natin ang ating mga Biblia sa aklat po ng 2 Corinthians chapter 4 verse 16, ikalawang Korinto kapitulo 4 versikulo 16. Even though our outward man is perishing, yet the inward man is being renewed day by day. Our topic for this morning is better with age. Minsan nag-iisip tayo, paano ba masasabing better with age, no? As we grow older, tumatagal, no? Nalalanta yung katawan natin, ay nanghihina na. If we will not die early, we are for sure getting older, right? Kung hindi tayo mamamatay ng maaga, then of course, we will getting older. Yung katawan natin tatanda talaga. At kahit anong kiskis o pang lagay natin ng chinsanso dyan sa mukha natin, hindi yan mababali ang katotohanan that we will grow older. To look younger, you have to live happier, daily improving. No, ang ibig pong sabihin dito is, we have to live in the will of God. If we are concerned with our physical body, doing daily exercise and proper nutrition, we have also to take care of our spiritual, our inner man, by regular Bible study, prayer, and fasting. Minsan, concern tayo sa panlabas, but with regards to our spirit, hindi natin napapansin ito na hindi natin nabibigyan ng regular exercises. So, continue with your daily prayer, daily exercises. So, if you can no longer improve your physical body, I will tell you, there's something that you can still improve. That is your inner man. Because the inner man never stops growing and developing. Hindi po ito tumitigil sa paglago. So, to get better with age, get spiritually fit. If we want to be fully developed in Christian life, don't just be concerned with your physical aspect. Huwag lang tayo maging concerned sa mga physical na bagay. Bagkos, tingnan din natin yung spiritual at pangloob natin. Yung intellectual natin, yung mga bagay na hindi nakikita sa panlabas, ay kailangan din po nating i-develop. And I want to tell you, kahit itong katawan natin manghihina man sa labas, but our inner man will grow stronger if we will continue in our faith, if we will continue in our prayer and dedication before the Lord. God bless po at magandang umaga.